What a day, what a day. It was just pouring down, raining. Well, I guess, you know what? It's still pouring down, but it's just slacked up a little bit. I mean, this is the type of, you think you work in a controlled environment, but I mean, out here in the elements still, I got a little break before I really have to get out in it. Nevertheless, yeah, this is the price you pay in certain fields. And as I said, it's slacked up. The wind have picked up. I know it's gonna pick up on this mic. I mean, you gotta be careful. They say we in a tornado watch, so the way his wind feeling, he might not be lying. But it's part of the grind. I mean, this is part of the sacrifice some people have to make. I ain't complaining. It pays the bills. Keeps me progressing. I've been in worse situations. I done traveled all over this country and outside the country. Been in all kind of weather. Drove on black ice. Blizzard. I mean, there's been some situations. Pitch black, dark. Yeah, you just got headlights, but when you're in places with no kind of lights, just the moon and nobody else around, yeah, it makes you think. Been in mountains, coming down icy mountains. I mean, you see a lot on this road. Luckily, I don't be out too long. Just a day. See, just one day, I'm still caught up in it. Caught up in something. But I'm going to risk for a second. I know most people are like, wow, I couldn't do that. I don't want to be out there. Shoot, I don't want to be out here. You think I do? That's what I choose at the moment. I mean, look at this rain. Listen to it. I know you hear it. Man. I mean, the truck was just shaking. I had to look around for a second. Pray for me. One thing about rainy days, the rain don't last forever. I don't mind rain. It's part of life. Rain is just one of the elements needed, because if it didn't rain, then you really were. So I'm very thankful for rain. At the end of the day, most people don't like it. Definitely necessary. Let it stop raining, then you really need to worry. Nah, I ain't trying to get deep. That's just a fact. But also, sunshine should be coming. What about rainbows? See, it slacks up. See the lightning.